Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to implement binary search with a different approach, that is recursive approach. Okay. So in last video you have already seen we have implemented the same algorithm using the iterative approach, right? And we were getting the correct answer. So recursion is actually, is very interesting technique, to be honest. It takes a lot of time and understanding to learn recursion properly, but we are going to use the same technique for our binary search algorithm, and it's very simple, to be honest. Let's try implementing. So we'll be needing four parameters actually for our recursive method. For that we'll be creating one more method. Okay, we are passing the numbers array, we are passing the number that we want to search, we are passing the first index, and we are passing the last index. Okay, so I guess we are good here. Now let's create that method. So as you can see, we have created that method, binary search recursive, the number. Let me name this start. Let me name this start. Okay, and let me name this one end. Okay, now what we are supposed to do. So we are using recursion, right? We need some base condition for our recursive method. Okay, so you might want to know why I have written this end is less than start, right? Because after you keep on updating the start and end pointers, right, there will be a point when you will get to that particular element that you're looking for, particular number. At that point, if your pointer changes, right, your end pointer will decrease by one. You do not want that situation, because that is when your number that you're looking for doesn't even exist in the array. That is why I have written end is less than start. I'll show you in a practical way, don't worry. Let's calculate our mid, which is start plus end divided by 2. Okay, now what do we want to do? We want to check if the number at that middle index is equal to the number that we are looking for, then we are returning true. Okay, now if the number that you're looking for, okay, is less than the number which is there in the mid, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to call that this recursive method, binary search recursive. Number is the first argument, numbers array. Second argument is the number to search. Now third argument and fourth argument might change. Okay, so the number that you're looking for is less than the mid. That means your end will change. Start will remain the same. End will become mid minus 1. Okay, now if it is greater than the number which is in mid, right, and then what you're supposed to do, else return binary search recursive, again numbers, number to search. This will be start, your start will change now, mid plus 1, and end. I guess we are done here. So let's run it. We are supposed to get true, and we are getting true. That means our logic is correct. If start is greater than end, return false. We have calculated the mid. We are checking if the number is equal, then return true. Then we are checking if the number is less than the mid or greater than the mid. Accordingly, we are calling the method. If we are passing 88, we are supposed to get false, and we are getting the false. Okay, perfect. So you have seen how easy it was to implement your binary search using the recursion technique. Okay, so that's all as part of this video. See you in the next one. May the source be with you.